Hi, I am Luisa, and today I'm going to show you how you thread your B57 and B59. The thread spool is secured using a spool cap of the appropriate size. Appropriate means choosing a spool cap with the same diameter as the spool. To wind the bobbin, guide the thread along the dotted line and thread it through the hole in the bobbin. Then place the bobbin on top and press it to the right. Press the Start-Stop button to start the winding process. Hold the end of the thread at the start. When the bobbin is full, stop the winding process by pressing the Start-Stop button. To ensure that the needle is in the correct position for the needle threader later on, press the needle stop up-down button twice. Raise the presser foot. This is important so that the thread rests in the open tension disc. To continue threading, we recommend locking the screen. This is a safety measure to prevent any accidents, such as accidentally stepping on the foot pedal. Insert the bobbin so that the thread is wound counterclockwise. Follow the markings and pull the thread over the thread cutter. Now, guide the upper thread along the printed arrows to the needle. Place the thread through the guide and the thread clamp on the needle threader, then cut it on the thread cutter. Press the lever all the way down and the needle will be threaded automatically. Now the machine is ready to sew. Use the spool net for slippery threads, such as metallic threads. Now your machine is threaded. In the next video I will show you how to set your stitches. If this video was helpful for you, subscribe and like.